Alright, let's go ahead and do the markup for the week ahead. So let's start from the monthly top-down analysis as usual. So let's get all the data points that are relevant to price action right now. We don't want to be marking data points here. We want to be whatever's close to price, especially on the higher time frames. On the monthly currently, this is the only relevant data point. Okay, so let's jump down to the weekly. On the weekly, we have this resistance here that has turned into support, as well as this new resistance right there as well. Those two levels are good. We can also add the 50% of this previous week's candle. That's about it. So let's just tighten these levels up. You don't want to, draw too many levels, not to confuse yourself, right? Let's just tighten this up over here. Yep. Now on the daily, what do we have in the daily? On the daily, as you can see, this was the most recent swing that was broken to the high. Other than that, there wasn't anything done. So we'll mark that out. I usually use monthly, weekly, daily for like higher time frame. Don't like it when TradingView does that. It's really annoying. But okay, let's go down to the 4 hour. On the H4, apologies for the pretty laggy internet. But yeah, on the H4, you can see since this was the most recent swing in the daily that was broken, I'll use that as my most immediate range. So we'll take this as the range low, and this as the range high also. It's not center back, sorry, not bad. Bring to front, yep. Let's do the same with this one as well, so that we can just see it properly. Bring to front, let's lock it down. I just like to use these dots because I don't want to use too many lines. I don't like it to get cluttered. Yeah, so orange really signifies my weekly data points, while blue signifies the H4, red signifies daily, and purple down there, that signifies the monthly. So this is the immediate range we're in, range low, range high, and as you can see after the range high, we've just been dilly-dallying about it. Pulled back, pulled down, but it wasn't able to break the high, and then it's just been dilly-dallying. On Friday, there was a sweep of this high over here, jabbed into a H4 level here, and then it rejected and started going down quite aggressively, as you can see, but it's still within the range. So until the range high or low is broken out of, I won't be doing anything. So I'll just sit on my hands and I'll see whichever way it breaks out of. That will give me an idea of whether we might be going lower or higher, or maybe we might be doing a reversal, either or. Yeah, that's basically it for now. I only go down to the H1 when I'm ready to enter. So when I'm at when there's a clear data point and it fits my bias, once it hits that data point, then I can go down to the hourly and then just look at my reversal signature, and then I can enter the trade, and then structure my risks as well in terms of stop loss as well as take profit. But yeah, this is all for the markup for now, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video.